We gon' make this money, we gon' live all life. But we can all get high. I'ma spread my wings, I'ma feel alright. One day we gon' fly. We gon' make this money, we gon' live all life. But we can all get high. I'ma spread my wings, I'ma feel alright. Shorts can't take this down. It's the time to buy and put your money in. Let the pockets maximize. We the people stay true, we don't stand for lies. Canada, we the leader for the legalized.
It's true.
Herb be the cure for all the sick and all the broken. We wanted this for years and they thought we were joking. Nah,
Jim Cramer.
we were always patient.
Jim
Cannabis
Cramer.
for you and me and all the nations. So all my brothers and all my sisters go on and light it up. Go on
I didn't even know.
to the head when the
I
time
didn't
is
see
up.
it.
I know we buying in the red, that's the sign of luck. Don't
Had I known, I would have loaded up more.
and I don't care for the lefts and all the market makers. But I swear they nuts, I call them salty haters. Big Pharma trying to get him for a piece of it because they know the medication.
Jim Cramer.
I'm so happy it's over. All the prohibition. And now we
What's
hear
up,
it's TV, the coalition.
Toronto?
There's no locking us stop.
T dot.
We on a mission.
T dot.
Teach the people they spreading lies into
Jim
contradiction.
Cramer says Aurora Cannabis is undervalued. It's true. You told me that? Man, I wasn't listening. Too many things going on, too many distractions. I did not even know. Oh my goodness. And then I saw it and I was like, what? Jim Cramer said Aurora's undervalued? What?
That's a big short. Stop acting like a big dork. I'ma get this pie, no lie. I need a big fork. I know about the tactics. The shortest making money off the people.
Oh, they got money, bro. They got money. They got lots of money. I don't know why you're saying they got no money. I don't know what, like, how you would even say that. Mind-boggling. This means the stock is going to explode. We have finally arrived. Aurora Cannabis has finally arrived at the $1 billion table. And Jim Cramer has said so. This is so big. This is so big. It's crazy.
The question is, do you believe in cannabis stocks, and will you achieve ultimate wealth through the cannabis stock revolution? It's true.
So I didn't know that Jim Cramer loved Aurora Cannabis. I don't know. I don't know how I missed this. So today I'm just like searching YouTube and I see this video about Jim Cramer talking about how he loves Aurora Cannabis. And I'm like, what? And then I listened to it. And then he says that Aurora Cannabis, based on its peers, Tilray, Kronos Group, Canopy Growth, he mentioned those three, is undervalued. And I said, pardon? What did I just hear Jimmy Cramer just say? And he said it was undervalued amongst its peers. That was on March 13th. Since then, Aurora Cannabis has been on a run. It's up 25% in the last week alone, since Jim Cramer said that they were undervalued amongst its peers. Now, when asked, well, you know, like, are all these overvalued? Like, what's going on? He just smiled and said it's undervalued amongst its peers. And he smiled. And I thought, load up. Like, load the F up, baby. Load up. I'm thinking it's full alert time. I'm thinking this baby's going for a ride. And there's people trying to say to me, yo, Rich, why are you telling people it's a full alert, bro? You know, ACB is going to go back down, bro. I'm like, well, who's to say it's going to go back down? You? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? This is Jim Cramer, man. This is Jim Cramer. When this man talks, people listen. When he says it's undervalued, that baby's undervalued. So I don't know, man. But when I heard that, only one song came to mind. Only one thought came to mind for your boy Rich. ACB is on a full alert, guys. And I'm telling you right now, when Jim Cramer says you're undervalued, oh my goodness. He said the same thing. He said the same thing about cannabis growth before they doubled. I didn't know he said this. Had I known he had said this, I would have never sold. Aurora Cannabis is on a full alert. Sell when you see profits, guys. But ACB is on a full alert. I'm telling you right now, it's a full alert. Guys coming to me say, yo, man, Rich, why are you telling people to buy? I don't tell nobody to do nothing, man. I'm just telling you this shit's hot. I ain't telling you to buy. I ain't telling you to sell. Do what you want, man. I'm just telling you this is hot. Don't listen to the haters. Don't listen to the trolls. Listen to Jim Cramer. He said it's undervalued. Then it goes up 25%. It's 100% buy on bar chart. Top 1% signal strength. This baby's hot. That's all I'm trying to say. I ain't trying to tell you to do anything. Come on, man. I ain't telling you what to do, man. But one thing I am going to tell you to do is smash that like button. Come on, guys. Smash that like, man. That's all I'm asking. Smash that like. Let's hit 100 likes, man. Yeah, Jim Cramer said it, man. That's all I got to say. If Jim Cramer said it, then it's real. At least you guys could do is smash that like, man. Come on, guys. 63 people watching, 24 likes. Let's go, man. Come on, man. Jim Cramer loves Aurora Cannabis, guys. That is the gift from the stock gods. Thank you, stock gods, for a daily bread. 31 likes, guys. Thank you. 32 likes. Let's go. We're 68 away from our goal. You know our goal is 100, so let's just get there. There's 62 people watching. Just hit it. So I think it can hit 40. I'm telling you, it's going to hit 100. When? I don't know, but it's hitting 100. I told you guys a few weeks ago it's going to 19. Just watch Rich TV, man. I've been talking about this since they're at $1. So I don't know what else to tell you guys, man. Yo, I love to thank my fans, man. You guys are the best. Thank you guys for the likes, man. 35 likes. I love you guys. You guys are the best community. Thank you guys for smashing that like. Love you guys. Without you guys, none of this is possible. I'm just searching YouTube, doing what I do, right? Just looking for news, looking for information. And thank you guys for hitting that like. All 35 of you guys, 36 of you now. Thank you guys for smashing that like. We're going to hit 100 likes on this stream. So let's hit it right now. Let's just get it out of the way. So Jim Cramer says that Aurora Cannabis is undervalued amongst his peers. And then he talked about Tilray. He talked about Kronos Group. He talked about cannabis growth and how Aurora is in 24 countries and making more revenue than most, if not all, of its peers, with the exception of cannabis growth. And then he said that the biggest difference between Canopy Growth and Kronos Group versus Aurora is that they got billion-dollar investments. And Aurora doesn't yet have a billion-dollar investment, but they have a billion-dollar partner. They have a billion-dollar advisor who now has options. Now he's saying that that's not the same as what Kronos Group and Aurora have, which is a billion-dollar infusion, multi-billion-dollar infusion of capital. That is why we have seen Kronos Group and Canopy explode. I believe that Peltz, the billionaire who's just joined as an advisor, is going to bring billion-dollar partnerships, multiple billion-dollar partnerships. And this is the beginning of the ascent for Aurora Cannabis. Now on a senior exchange, now with a billion-dollar advisor, the next partnership, the next billion-dollar partnership, the next billion-dollar infusion is going to take Aurora to the next level. So this is our opportunity right now, everybody. This is your captain. This is your pilot. This is Rich from Rich TV Live. And if you guys want this live stream to continue, please smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button. I know you can do it. Hit it. Smash it. Crush it. We want to hit 100 likes. We want to have more likes than we have people watching. Because we need the people to know the truth, man. I need you guys to understand the truth. We need to learn how to read between the lines and see where real momentum is. And when I see people saying, Rich, man, it gets me so angry that you're telling people to buy and it's 100% buy, because we all know that when it hits 100% buy, top 1% signal strength, it always goes down after that. And I'm sitting here saying, really? Does it really? Because I've been watching bar chart for years and it doesn't always go down right after it hits 100% buy, top 1% signal strength. Sometimes it sits at 100% buy, top 1% signal strength for weeks. And isn't that what we're here to do on Rich TV Live? Identify the momentum, identify the winners, and talk about it. I don't listen to noise, eh? I focus on the winners. ACB is going to the moon, guys. And it is up 25% in the last week and up 150% since last August. There may be a few dips here and there. At the end of the day, you want to be able to find the bottom, okay? I'm not here to tell you what price to buy it at. You guys buy it at any price you want. That's up to you. But I'm just letting you guys know that it has the blessing of Jim Cramer, who says that it is undervalued with a big smile on his face. Big smile on his face, okay? So I'm going to be watching it very closely. I'm sure a lot of people will be watching it very, very closely. Yo, man, Seth, I'm happy to help you make money, bro. That's what I want to do here. I want to help you guys stay in your lane. Stay in your lane, guys. You don't need more than one pick. If you got one pick that's making you money, why do you need anything else? Why do you need more than one pick? Yo, I love Eve, man. I love me some Eve. I love ALEF. ALEF is going to the Toronto Stock Exchange this week. So I'm going to let you guys know about stocks that I'm buying, stocks that I'm selling. I'm going to let you guys know about news. You know, we got to work together. If Jim Cramer says that Aurora is undervalued, then Aurora is undervalued. That's it. I mean, it's that simple. You know what I mean? Like, he's that big. He's that powerful. Is it better to day swing trade ACB or to long? Well, if you're a long-term investor, you could just sit in Aurora and wait until it hits 100 one day, because it will. But the question is when. And there's going to be a lot of ups and downs between now and then. Canopy Growth is also going to hit 100. It'll hit 100 before Aurora. Tilray will hit 100. It'll hit 100. It's already hit 100. It'll hit 100 before Aurora. A lot of stocks are going to hit 100 before Aurora. What is it? GWPH, GW Pharma is well over 100 because they have tighter floats. They don't have 1 billion shares in circulation like Aurora does. That's the difference. Aurora has too many shares out, but that's also because they're a huge global company. They have partnerships with a lot of, I think it's 40 licensed producers. They're just next level giant, too big to fail. But now that the billionaires are going to get into Aurora, that's going to help move the share price. Yeah, man. Jim Cramer said that Aurora is undervalued. So when Jim Cramer says that Aurora is undervalued, then Aurora is undervalued. It doesn't matter what any hater or troll comes and says on my stream or says on my videos. Oh, Rich, stop telling people to buy it. It's going to go down. Numbers don't lie, but people do. And check the statistics. Is Aurora going down? Look at the chart, guys. Is it going down? Does anybody see Aurora going down? Does anybody here see Aurora going down? I just want to know. I don't know. My eyes see it going up. I see Aurora going up like this. That's the hockey stick. There's the hockey stick. Yeah, I need it to go down too, but will it? I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. It's 100% buy, top 1% signal strength. I'm telling you guys, that is the biggest and strongest indicator of power and momentum. 2 years of historical data on bar chart saying that this bad boy is on fire. So it like what, like it's going to just turn around because somebody on my videos and comments says so? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think it has mad power and mad momentum, and I think it's going to continue. But I might be wrong. You never know. I'm betting it's going to continue, but it might be wrong. I think it's going to go up. I think Monday, everything's going to be green. Based on the Friday that we had and how everything exploded right at the end of day on Friday, I believe we're going to have a big Monday. But the market might just go down too. It might be a sneak attack for shorts. Who the hell knows, man? I ain't that guy. I don't have that type of knowledge. Not yet. Hopefully one day I'll be in that inner circle. I'm not there yet, guys. Trust me. I'm not at that table. But one day we'll work towards it as a unit. Guys, 87 people watching, 51 likes. We need 49 more likes. And thank you guys for all 51 likes, man. I love you guys, man. 52 likes, man. Let's squeeze some likes, guys. Come on. Let's squeeze some juice out of the 87 people watching. 55 likes, guys. 45 more likes until we hit 100. Let's just hit 100. 59 likes. That way everybody will know that Jim Cramer believes in Aurora Cannabis. And that might be the alert that everybody needs. That might just be the alert that says, hey, you know what? Maybe this bad boy is going to keep going. You know, maybe this bad boy is going to keep going. Like maybe this bad boy just keeps going. You got 10 sub accounts you can like me on? You got lots of accounts, eh? Trulieve, Curaleaf seem good right now. I love them both, but they're really, really high. Joseph, you believe Aurora's on a full alert? How many of you guys think that Aurora's on a full alert? How many of you guys think that Aurora's going to go up Monday? I want to know. Let's count. Let's count. How many of you guys think that Aurora's a full alert on Monday? How many of you think it goes up? And how many of you think it goes down? That's 2 full alerts. How many of you think it goes down? 3 full alerts, 4 full alerts, 5 full alerts, 6 full alerts, 7 full alerts, 8 full alerts, 9 full alerts, 10 full alerts, 11 full alerts, 12 full alerts, 13 full alerts. You think Cura is going higher? Hey, I think Cura might go higher too. I'm just saying it's really high. I don't want to buy it so high, but I love it too. You guys are listening to my music, man. Like these songs are a collaboration between myself and Ill Kid talking about the stocks that we love. And I told you guys that, you know, Cura is going to go up. It's going to make you throw up. I mean, that's that. I haven't seen one person say that ACB is going down tomorrow. But yet I get people coming on my videos saying, Rich, I get so angry when you tell people to buy. You know, people are going to buy because you tell people to buy. I'm like, yo, listen, man. I'm not telling people to buy. I'm just telling you that there's massive momentum. You guys do whatever you want to do. I'm telling you that I bought it on Friday, and I'm hoping it goes up because if it does, I'll probably sell it. You know what I mean? Well, I'm telling you guys what I'm buying and selling, you know? If it goes down, buy more. Yeah, and if it goes down, I will buy more. But at the end of the day, I bought it on Friday. I'm hoping it's going to go up on Monday. I know a lot of you guys own it. I know a lot of you guys are hoping it's going to go up, but does anybody think it's going to go down as 100% buy top 1% signal strength? Because I have people messaging me. You can see in my messages and my videos saying they're actually angry about the fact that I'm saying that Aurora is a buy. And I'm like, well, all the indicators are calling it a buy. So why are you angry at me? I'm just telling people the truth. I'm telling people it's a buy because the indicators are saying it's a buy. All the indicators are saying it has massive momentum, 100% buy, top 1% signal strength. So you want me to tell people to sell? I'll tell people if I sold because I'll go in and out. But at the end of the day, I'm just trying to understand what people are seeing. Like, what are people seeing? Like, what are you guys seeing that I'm not seeing? Right? I don't know. I'm just trying to see what people are seeing that I'm not seeing because all the indicators that I'm looking at on investing.com bar chart are saying strong buy, top 1% signal strength, full blown power all the way to the max. Then you got Jim Cramer saying it's undervalued, has a big week. It goes up 25%. I don't know, man. It's got a lot of momentum. Oh, I believe that Jim Cramer will say the same thing about MedMen. If he's given the opportunity, if he's asked the question. You won't, Tim says, I won't sell it because I don't want to tell the story on how I sold it and it went to the moon. You know what? I'd rather tell that story than have it go down and lose all your money. So you have to be very careful. Don't think that way, guys. You got to think about selling to protect your money. Tomorrow's always another day. You can always buy the stock again on Monday, right? Don't feel like you can't sell. I don't think that that's a good way to trade. But that's my opinion. Do whatever you guys want. You can hold it for life if you choose. And you can even leverage against it because it's a big board stock. But I'm not suggesting that you do that. MedMen, wait when it goes to the New York Stock Exchange. I agree. All the stocks that have gone to the senior exchanges, they've all exploded. Yeah, you can sell and you can buy at a higher price. You can do whatever you want. But if it's going up, what's wrong with taking your profits as it goes up? Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with buying something as it goes up. It's better to protect your equity. Don't be greedy. Making profit is the name of the game. FOMO is real. I don't want anybody to chase anything. I just want to look at the power. And I believe that Aurora has a lot of power thanks to our friend, Jim Cramer. And that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. I feel like there is a huge opportunity here with Aurora. But remember, FOMO is real. FOMO is real. So be careful. Guys, 69 likes, 31 more likes to hit 100. Can you guys help us hit 100 likes? I really appreciate it. We've got 70 likes. Thank you, all of you. Thank you for the 70 likes, man. I love you guys. 72 likes, man. You guys are the bomb, man. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? You know the deal. Spin the wheel. I know you missed it, but we gon' get it back. Get it back. Triple shrimp ink. Look, that's how we stack. Thank you for like number 70, Rich. I bet you wish you had it in your hands so that you knew us. We gon' get this money. Don't be scared to get this money. Not afraid to get this money. Always on my mind is money. It might slip up out your hands, but the crew is here to reinforce. Rich TV with the picks, but the number. Yeah, man. Take that money and run, man. Everybody has their own style. You can just hold. You can flip it. I'm just in and out, man. I'm in and out, man. I've been caught up when these markets crash, and I do not like it. I'm in and out, stay in cash. Take my profit and run. In and out, stay in cash. Take the profit and run. In and out, stay in cash. Take the profit and run. That's it. What? What?
FOMO, yeah.
Ill kid.
If you wanna take a chance, go ahead and spin the wheel. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real.
What?
The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. FOMO, yeah, you know the deal. If you wanna take a chance, go ahead and spin the wheel. I told you follow the boy Rich, the NYSE.
I'll be watching MedTainer very closely. I interviewed them at the cannabis conference when they were here.
Shit ain't boring. I think I'd rather listen to the phone ring. Pick up, cause the money keep on calling though. And when I'm throwing down the cash, it's like Geronimo. Chasing rainbows, I'm always down for a pot of gold. And when the
Can I do a video on MedTainer? I'll think about it. I don't really like penny stocks, so I want to see the price be stable. No, Aurora's not going to do a reverse split. That's crazy talk. No shot. What? They're going to $1? Okay, I like that. That's better. No, man. Why would Aurora do reverse? I don't see why. I don't see why Aurora would do a reverse. They don't need to. How often do you see companies on the New York Stock Exchange do reverse splits? Tell me the last time you saw a company on the New York Stock Exchange do a reverse split. Only companies that are failing companies do reverse splits. Only companies that are failing do reverse splits. Aurora's not a failing company. Aurora is a juggernaut. I think Vivo is undervalued and is going to explode. Yeah, be careful. Everything that goes up does come down. And at some point in time, Aurora will come down. I predicted it would go to $19, but like I said, I don't think it'll stay there. I think it will come back down again. There are going to be pumps in every stock. That's the way they trade. So that's why I tell you guys I go in and out. And I'm very like tomorrow, if I see profits, I'm going to take them. If I'm up $1,000 tomorrow, I'm going to take it. I don't really care. I don't need to hold anything. It's my money. I'll trade any way I want to. And I go in and out and I like to hold cash. And cash is king because then it gives me bullets for my next trade. And then you can go in and out again. Wait for a pullback, go in again. If it keeps going up, buy it again. So what if you lose 50 cents, 60 cents? Who cares? I don't care. I'd rather lose 50 cents, 60 cents on the way up than, have it go back $2, $3 on the way down and get crushed. I'm not going to do that. You bought them at 1063 and we'll keep them long-term. Hey, man, I wish you the best. I hope it works really well. Like I said, I have no idea what it's going to do. I, as an investor, am just like you guys hoping it's going to go back up and continue to go up, but it has massive momentum. So I like to ride momentum. Oh, Monday, I'll be ready to sell. Trust me. I'm always ready to sell. I'm always ready to sell. I do believe Village Farms is going to keep going up. That's why I've been talking to you guys so much about Village Farms, and it's been going up. And I bought Village Farms this week and made money on it too. But I didn't anticipate that huge move on Friday, up 12% right at close. The last half an hour went up 12%. This is what I'm saying to you guys. It was a crazy sneak attack on Friday and today, and I anticipate Monday we're going to see more green. But you never know. I could be wrong. It could have been a sneak attack so that we could see a massive drop on Monday. So we need to be very careful. I'm not going to lose out on anything. I got Aurora. John says on Monday he's going to get into ACB. If you do get into ACB, John, try to get it on a dip, try to get it in the red, try to get it when it's slow. What I've learned about Aurora is typically it'll go up like 1 or 2% and then it'll start to gain steam. It'll get 3%, 4%, 5%. So I like to watch it like that first 1 or 2% of the day. If it goes in the red, 1 or 2%, then I'll watch it. I'll be like, okay, is it going to continue to go deeper, or is it going to pull back and then go into green? So you got to really watch it because it's got a lot of momentum right now. So even if it pulls back in the red a little bit, that could be just a buying opportunity. Market makers playing games. So we'll be watching very, very carefully. Wow, guys, 80 likes. Thank you guys so much for the 80 likes. Unbelievable. You guys are the best community on the planet, eh? Since we got 80, can we get to 100? 81. Can we get, there's 96 people watching. Can we just get 19 likes out of the way? So I don't even have to talk about it anymore. 84. Look at that. 16 likes away from 100. Wow, unbelievable. 85 likes. I love you guys. 94 people watching, 85 likes. This is unbelievable. Unheard of. 86 likes in 30 minutes. Like, this is record breaking, man. I just can't believe it. You guys are unbelievable, man. This is like the fastest I've ever had 100 likes. 87 likes. This is the best group I've ever had here live, right here on a Sunday. 95 people watching, 87 likes. This is unbelievable. Almost 1-for-1. Wow. The like to watch ratio is unheard of. 90 likes, 97 people watching. 92 likes, 97 people watching. Wow. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. 100 people watching, 92 likes. We're talking about the fact that 93 likes. Thank you guys for all the likes. I really appreciate the likes, guys. It means so much. It allows the video to go viral so people can watch it. Okay. Thank you guys for all the likes. It really means a lot. So Jim Cramer has publicly stated that he believes Aurora Cannabis is undervalued amongst its peers. He stated it is undervalued versus Kronos Group, Tilray, and Canopy Growth Corp. Now, he mentioned that Canopy Growth Corp and Kronos Group both have billion-dollar infusions of money in the company, thus the reason why they have exploded. So we need to watch for that, okay? Any company that gets $1 billion infusion or money infusion of cash, we should anticipate will explode similarly, okay? So thank you. I appreciate it. You guys like the hat. Appreciate it. I got it from the cannabis conference here in Vancouver. So when we anticipate a company gets $1 billion infusions of capital, we will see the stock explode because we've seen that with Canopy Growth and Kronos Group. Kronos Group makes less money than about 25 to 30 different companies right now, but yet they're trading higher than almost everybody. To me, that's overvalued, okay? Nonetheless, that's where they're trading. So the question is, where will Aurora go? How high will Aurora go? If they are undervalued amongst their peers, will they go to $20? I saw one of you guys broke down that you feel that based on their market cap and their share structure, they should be trading around $20 in comparison to Canopy Growth Corp. I think that's a very, very good guesstimate of where it could go. I guesstimated it could go to $19 based on the chart. I still believe it'll go there. Will it stay there? I don't know. It's never really found a floor higher than any of these prices. So it's kind of in uncharted territory. That's why I'm a little bit concerned, why I'm a little scared about it. Why I'm going to like day trade it and swing trade it, because I feel like it could go up and down very quickly. And we need to be very careful as investors. Austin says that it could touch $21 within 6 months to a year. I think it could touch $21 within the next 1 or 2 months with the momentum it has, if it continues. And if this momentum continues and they announce $1 billion partnership with like CocaCola, man, it's game on. It's game on. That's what I think. That's my opinion. I'm just putting it out there. I think that partnership with Coca-Cola is massive. And if it happens, it's game on. Wow, Joseph, two beautiful positions. Joseph, two big positions are Aurora and MedMen. I think MedMen is close to the bottom. I think Aurora is close to its top right now. So be very careful with Aurora. Be very careful with the trend reversal. But with MedMen, I believe MedMen is going to be a giant and is hugely undervalued. 98 likes, guys. Thank you guys for the likes. 104 people watching. Can we hit 100 likes, guys? As a community, can we squeeze 2 more likes? Can we squeeze 2 more likes out of this community? So I don't even have to talk about it. We're at 99 likes. Can we get 1 more like, guys? Who's going to be the 100th like? Who's going to be 100? Oh, we did it. Thank you, guys. You know, just for that, I'm going to play a song. Do you guys, thank you, Awake. I appreciate it. Do you guys have any requests of songs? Wow, up to 102 likes, man. Thank you, guys. Love you guys, man. Mad respect for you guys. Do you guys have any requests of songs that I should play for our 100th like? You want to hear FOMO's Real? Full Alert? Well, I've already played Full Alert and I've played FOMO's Real. You want to hear Full Alert? Okay, we'll play Full Alert and then we'll play FOMO's Real because we just heard FOMO's Real. But we need a Full Alert for Aurora Cannabis and for MedMen for tomorrow and for Labs and Village Farms. What else should be a full alert for tomorrow? HYRE. Take a look at HYRE. Yes, Chiron as well was on a full alert on Friday. These are the full alerts. Share your full alerts. Oh, those doors are going to be put on the crib. Don't you worry. They're all being painted. Don't you worry. You'll see the video. Rich flipping cribs. Yeah. Get ready. I'm making a video about that too. Don't you worry. Oh, it's live. It's live. Make a song called Strong By, Strong By, Strong By. That's a good idea, Ryan. Thank you. Very good idea. Yeah, I can make another channel talking about flipping cribs. That's actually a good idea. But I'm going to make a video on Rich TV Live about flipping cribs. Yo, what's up, Scooter? Mad respect, man. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. How could you not have a high energy, man? Man, we live in a good life right now, man. We're doing well, man. And I'm talking about this community. I'm not talking about financially. I'm talking about this community is thriving because we're winning. And as we continue to win more and more and we get better at this game, sky's the limit. We're all going to have freedom. And that's what this is. Oh, man, I just shared with you the plan of attack, bro. This is my watches for tomorrow, man. This is the watches for tomorrow, man. You think we ain't talking about what's on the alert for tomorrow? That's all we talk about. That's all we talk about. But really, you only need one. Really. If it just keeps doing its thing, you only really need one pick. Let's be real. Aurora. 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 Man, if you just ride that one and it just keeps going, all we need is one. All we need is one. I'll tell you guys the ones I like that are undervalued. Oh, also Hexo, Ianthus. And these are my picks, man. I should write this down. I like all those a lot. I just gave you guys a whole bunch of free juice, man. A whole bunch of free juice. Whole bunch of really good companies that are just gonna blow. And AUSA is ACB 2.0. AUSA is ACB 2.0. And Rivers is Canopy 2.0. And I created that. I mean, I made that. Like, I'm the one that created that. So when you hear someone say, oh, yeah, AUSA is ACB 2.0 and Rivers is Canopy 2.0, yeah, your boy Rich created that. Just remember that. So, I mean, that's what we do, right? We create terms and slogans and just everything. Songs. Hemco. Yeah, Hemco is undervalued. But Hemco is just like one of those companies that isn't the most exciting company. It isn't the most exciting company. You know, Choom went on a big run this week, but, you know, what goes up might come down. So be careful with Choom. Yo, what's up, Carter? How you doing, man? St. Louis in the house. Yo, why don't you guys tell us where you're from? Why don't you guys tell us where you're at? You guys are here for the music? I got a song for you. Check out this one. I like this one. I think AUSA is heading way higher. Montreal. How you doing in Montreal? Honolulu, Hawaii. How you doing, Honolulu, Hawaii? San Francisco Bay Area. Fresno, California. Georgia. Cali. Edmonton. Los Angeles. Alberta. Toronto. Texas. Home of the Cowboys. New Mexico. Toronto. T-Dot. Arizona. I can only play my own songs, man. Van City, Cloverdale, Toronto, Calgary, T-Dot, T-Town, T-Town, yo, Austin, Texas, Ottawa, New York, New York. Everything we do is original, my friend. Original content. This is an original song. Ain't nobody else in the world with this song but us. T-Dot, Pennsylvania, London, Orange County, California, Studio City, California. I'm in Van City. Florida. We got a lot of people from America. Van City. Yeah, Vancouver and $19 in Canada. Los Angeles. No, man, I'm a Toronto Maple Leafs fan. You should know this. Come on, man. If you know me, you know this. Illinois, Seattle. Albany, Georgia, home of Ray Charles. Love me some Ray Charles. Lightning. We got a Lightning fan? Yeah, Lightning's on fire, man. The Lightning are on fire. Modesto, California. Que pasa, amigos? What's up with APHA? I like APHA, man. I love APHA. Yo, you're blowing me up to all your friends? Mad respect, man. Thank you. Alifia. I forgot about my own pick. Yes, Alifia should be on an alert. They're going on the TSX. But remember, guys, Rich TV Live is strictly for education, entertainment purposes. Always do your own due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here at Rich TV Live. Invest in the best because the best is blessed. This that headshot. Yes, Alifia is going to the TSX. Let's go. So, Alifia Health. I told you guys about 3,800 shares of Alifia Health, and they acquired a monster. And yeah, they coming out to play, man. Yo, what's up, Joe? Platinum and silver going to run soon. I believe so. You guys saw my video last week talking about precious metals. Full alert? You want a full alert for Alethea? I don't know, man. I don't know if I could put them on a full alert. I don't know. The momentum isn't there for a full alert. Not yet. Not yet. I mean, I can't give them a full alert. I mean, I just don't see the momentum. Not yet. It's only a 24% buy on bar chart. I don't know, man. I don't know. I want to, but they're just not there yet. They're not there yet. You see, MedMen, we saw them curl up on Friday, and they were a 72% sell, and they're near the bottom, and now they're a 40% sell on bar chart. So that's why I was giving guys an alert on them, because it's more like a bottom alert. It's coming off a bottom. ALEF, I just don't see that momentum yet. I just don't see the momentum. But I own it, and I love it, and I want it to go up, but I can't give you a full alert yet. I can't. I'm sorry. I can't. But what I can do is I can find another track to maybe whet your appetite. Ooh, MCLD. Yes. Yes. Universal McLeod, man. Telling you guys, man. I've been telling you it just goes up, right? I tell you about these stocks and they go up. I mean, I can't tell you guys what to do, but it's really nice when, we find stocks that go straight up, right? We like to find stocks that go straight up. Is that not what it's about? I like Afria. I talk about Afria all the time. I love Enthusiast Gaming. I feel very good about it. Yes, MCLD is artificial intelligence. Yeah, I don't give you guys a full alert unless I truly feel it's a full alert. Believe me. I can't be forced into a full alert. I can't be forced. It has to be real. It comes from the heart. What are my long holds? I don't really have any long holds, man. I used to long hold, and then I saw the market go up and down, and I said, you know what? I'm just going to be in cash. Just go in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out.
You ain't got the money, broke jokers fade away. In it for the stock, goddamn, I made a K today. Out of space, I should really be an astronaut. Flying with the stars, smoking on the moon, so pass the blunt. Snakes hiding in the grass, pulling out the lawnmower. Expose your whole.
Do you guys know the symbol for MedMen? We have a member asking for the symbol for MedMen in America. Are there any Americans that know the symbol for MedMen in America? It's MMEN in Canada. The symbol in America is MMNFF. Thank you, Rich. I trade with TD Bank, TD Direct Investing. Thank you, Scooter, for sharing the U.S. symbol. This is the power of the people right here. Hey, Rich, do you think it's a good idea to buy ACB stocks now? Well, I bought some on Friday. Is it a good idea? If it goes up on Monday, yes. If it goes down on Monday, no. Invest in 10 cents, TCEHY. That's a very good recommendation. Your son's very smart. Very smart young man. Thank you for the pick. Tell your son thank you for the pick. Maybe he could play with my son online. Have I heard of Good Life Networks? No. Antisocial Atheist. I bought more ACB at 925. I hope you win big. What do I think about HIP? I think HIP has been acquired by Hexo, and there might be more room for it to squeeze up this week. Patrick is going to be selling a small portion of Aurora at 1350. How do I feel about options trading? I think options trading is like another gimmick, It's like trading is like trading, and then there's futures trading and options trading, which is like a way to make money with trading. It's like a game within the game. So my attitude is if you can't trade equities, you probably shouldn't trade options. That's my attitude. because it's harder, I think, and more risky. But that's my opinion. Planet 13, I love Planet 13. I love Vegas. I love that market. I think Planet 13 is going to do very well. What gaming company do you like most? Enthusiast Gaming. They're small and they're just getting started, but they're still big. They're small, but they're big. Oh, I own Xena. I own 1,000 shares of Xena. I love Xena. I think Xena has huge upside. AVMXY. I'm not familiar with that one. Would I buy Constellation Brands to hold? I don't know. It's very high priced. Joe, you want to call? Joe wants to call. Oh, you guys want Joe on the call? Joe, call me, bro. Call me. On WhatsApp. Here, I'll call you.
What's up?
Yo, what's up, buddy?
Brother, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Fuck. Having a rough week. Bought a new car. Got T-boned. This asshole was a hater. Looking at me dead in my eye. Turned the wheel right into my brand new car. Smoked me. Now I gotta deal with that bullshit.
Oh my
I'm
god.
just pulling up my account so I can fucking tell you what's good and what's watching. Just trying to set everything up right now. Yeah, I'm thinking platinum and silver. Like I told you, everything else is bouncing. I bought rhodium at 800. That's over 4,000 right now.
Wow.
Gold's a little high to be buying. Palladium, I bought at 200 an ounce. That's over 2,000 an ounce. I'm just looking for the lows and buying, right?
You're a giant, my friend. You are a giant. I love the way you think. What about with the cannabis stocks? What are you thinking about for this week? We got a lot of people watching. We got 95.
I'm thinking I think an ACB made a huge run. So what goes up must come down, right?
Well,
I don't play the day to day. How do I get into my account?
do you think it's going to come down? I don't know, bro.
Honestly,
It's got a lot of momentum, man.
Momentum, right? Yeah, exactly.
It's got a hell of a lot of momentum. Like I think before it comes down, it's going to go up more. Like I don't see it going down. Like I don't know.
I don't know. Think it's got room to. I definitely think it's got room to keep its momentum going, because it's been, if it picks up some like a beverage support.
Yeah, like if it gets a CocaCola deal, I mean they got the $1 billion investor now, right? They got the $1 billion advisor. So he has the relationships. He works with huge $1 billion conglomerates. So he's going to be bringing in some of his $1 billion friends. And ever since he joined on Monday, and Jim Cramer said it was a buy on Monday, March 13th, the stock has been running. No, actually, Cramer said it was a buy on Wednesday.
Cramer says it's a buy on Wednesday.
Jim Cramer said that Aurora Cannabis was undervalued on Wednesday.
I've been saying it's been undervalued when it dropped down to $6.20 like a month and maybe 2 months ago. I went into I had cash in my account, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna put it on my options or my margin account. So for the first time ever, I used the margin. I bought another I think it was 5,000 shares on margin, and I bought it 620. What's it at right now?
Aurora?
Yeah.
Like 13 almost.
Okay, so I over doubled up my money since I bought it on margin at $6.20. Right, that's how I'm making right now. when I said I was gonna call, I was just setting everything up to answer people's questions. Like I'm trying to get my platforms running right now. Like I've been holding T God for since I've been in T God.
Yeah, Aurora is at $12.83. My opinion is that on Monday it opens up at $13. That's my opinion. I think Monday it opens at 13.
I think it's gonna do a big quick run and then a quick drop because people are gonna want to take profit, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's gonna open up. It's either gonna do a quick drop and then do another run, or it's just gonna keep going, bro. And with the amount of momentum and the amount of people talking about Aurora all weekend long, like me, I don't know, man. I think there's a lot of momentum in this bad boy, bro. Like a lot of momentum. I don't know. Like a lot. A hell of a lot of momentum. I don't think anyone's going to short this. How do you short something that Jim Cramer says is undervalued and is going up every day? I don't know, man. This something about this. It's got mad momentum.
No. Yeah, it's got mad momentum, but that's
like momentum doesn't just turn. Momentum doesn't just turn, right? And like the volume has been nutty, like it's double. The volume has been double every day. Like the average daily volume in Canada was 18 million. On Friday was 34 million, double, right? So this is what I mean. Like the volume is double. That's buying pressure, bro. So nobody can sell enough right now to take this thing down unless it's like insiders that have like a huge block.
Right. I've been trying to get off the ACB I've been trying to find junior miners right now that are in the pennies and work with those, buy million shares or 100,000, 200,000, 500,000 shares. That's what I've been screwing around with the last little bit, like MMS, NOB, AIM that I told you.
It's
You
crazy.
see those ones?
I did look at some of them. Yes.
If you look at those, like MMS was at 2 cents maybe a month or two, maybe 2 months ago. Now it's at 5 cents. NOB was at, let's say, 6 cents. It ran up to like 17 cents.
Wow.
AIM was at 6 to 8 to 9 cents. Went up to like 23 cents. So 20 cents, I'd say. I don't know the exact pennies but it's close to what I'm saying.
So yeah, so you're starting to see that all the precious metal companies are starting to come off a bottom. So this is really a great time, like you said, to get into resource companies, get into precious metals. I agree with you 100%. Listen, my friend, we're live for about an hour now, so I'm going to cut this a little short today. But thank you for calling. Thank you for calling, Joe. I'm sorry to hear about your super sorry to hear about your car, bro.
Like, I'll send you a picture of before I crashed it.
Oh,
or did I send you a picture?
Yeah, I saw your Porsche. I saw it, man. I don't even want to see the picture, man. I'm sad for you, man. Sorry to hear that, bro.
I didn't take a picture of the accident. I couldn't do it.
Yeah, don't do it, man. Don't do it.
I'm like, why would I take a picture of the accident? I'm trying to pull up the highway cams. Like, I'm going full alert on a lawyer because I'm going to go to the fucking cameras. And I don't care how much it costs me. I want footage of the accident. There's thousands of cameras on the fucking highway. This guy literally went out to T-bone me. I want video footage.
That's crazy, man. That's just nutty.
Yeah, but I would load up with silver and plat, especially silver. I think that's going to double up your money.
Silver. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Too long. Like, I mean, the long run, silver and platinum. Platinum's so hard to get. They charge a high premium when you buy it physically. Silver, they charge somewhat of a high premium. I buy and sell precious metals, so it's kind of in my best interest to say it, but I'm not saying it because I sell anything through here or whatever. And nobody I know, I don't tell anybody, oh, watch this. I tell a couple people watch you, but either way, I'm not making. There's no benefit for me. I'm just saying for you guys.
Well, no, I appreciate your opinion because you're in that business. So obviously, I want to hear your opinion, and that's the key. Is like, whose opinion do I want to hear about someone about precious metals? Someone that doesn't know anything about the industry, or somebody that is in the industry? I want to hear about. I want to hear about it from a person who's in the industry, and I know that you own. I've seen you. You've sent me so many. I know you have lots of precious metals. So sorry to hear about your car, bro. Have yourself a great weekend. Let's have a great week next week. Let's make all that money back next week so we can buy another car.
No, it's not a write-off. It's just the fender and the wheel, but fuck, still $20,000 wheels, and they got fucked up. So insurance company, I guess, buy new ones, but whatever.
We gotta make all that money back, bro. Whatever it is, let's make it back, brother.
I got that money. That money. If I can't buy it 10 times, then I don't buy it, right? So
I love it. I love the attitude.
I don't spend what I don't spend what I don't have. If I can't afford to buy it 10 times, I don't buy it.
All right, brother. Well, listen, man. Thank you very much for joining us this weekend. Have yourself a great Sunday, and we'll talk to you soon.
All right, guys. Have a good one.
Cheers.
All right.
All right, guys. That was Joe. And Joe is one of our subscribers and one of our members, and he's an investor, and he's been giving me a lot of picks. He's in the cannabis sector and in the resource sector, and he believes in a lot of resource companies. And I've been really just trying to expand our horizons here on Rich TV Live to do more than just cannabis stocks. So getting more into resource companies, gaming companies, artificial intelligence companies. And if there's any companies that you guys think that we need to talk about, like companies that have been really hot lately, I don't know if you guys have been noticing, Apple. Apple's been on fire. Amazon. I'm telling you guys, since Amazon was at 1,600, it's going to 2,000. Amazon's been on fire. Netflix has been on fire. So there's companies out there that are constantly doing well, small, medium, and large. And I want us to be a very well-rounded platform where we can talk about all the stocks in the entire sectors of anything that we could buy, right? Commodities, oil and gas, technology, artificial intelligence, cryptocurrency, real estate, stocks. These are the things, this is like the lane that I want to be in, right? And if we can be in this lane and we can master all of the different ways to make money in options trading, and I've got options traders that I'm going to have on the show. Futures trading, I've got futures traders that can have on the show. So I have all these partners now. I have these relationships. We've got academies that we're going to be bringing onto the show. So what's happening is our capacity, our awareness is growing. So as our awareness and our capacity grows, our audience grows, our membership grows, everything will continue to grow, and hopefully our revenue will grow, your revenue grow, and your amount of freedom will grow. And that's really what this is about, guys. This is a revolution here in Rich TV Live. Thank you guys for joining me here. Thank you guys for being with me here today on a Sunday. I love you guys. Wouldn't have been able to do any of this without you guys. 125 likes. Wow. I'm at a loss of words. I can't believe we have 125 likes. That's so many likes. I love you guys so much. You guys are by far the best community in YouTube right here on YouTube right here. You guys watching. Thank you guys so much. I got to go watch some soccer. My son's playing. Got to do the daddy thing. Got to do some soccer, but I'm going to leave you guys on a high here. Because it is time for Aurora Cannabis and all the other big players to shine. 129 likes. Thank you, guys. We are blessed because of you, the people. I love you guys. We're on a full alert. Aurora Cannabis on a full alert. MedMen on a full alert. Village Farms on a full alert. Labs on a full alert. Keep your eyes on the prize. ALEF on alert, going to the TSX. Not a full alert, but on alert.
That's just how it go. Rich TV is here. Yeah, we about to make some dough. Right on everything in January. Shit is popping now. Rolling up some good in a backwood. Yeah, we puffing clouds. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Let's go. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert.
Jim Cramer says Aurora Cannabis is undervalued. And I agree. I bought it on Friday. Will I sell it on Monday? Stay tuned. I'll keep you updated.
Right next to that shit in the second slot. I'm like Jordan in his prime, shooting with Pippen, making money all the time, fucking with some MedMen. Kush bottles ain't going nowhere. You know it's gaining hype, and if you ain't watching, you ain't winning. It's time to say goodnight. Vino with the fever, that shit diva, just with the heater. You can leave it with Beaver. I don't fuck with the non-believers. Fire in my pocket, make my way up to Supreme. If you bet on this company, then you gon' make some cream. So I got lots of that. It's about to pop it fat. I ain't gotta stop the rap and tell you that you copping that. Vivo, I got it in my Speedo.
If Aurora partners with CocaCola, that will be epic. CocaCola will just keep working out of Georgia. But they'll have cannabis in their drinks in Georgia. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert is full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Aurora Cannabis on a full alert. This is your captain speaking. Thank you for joining. Hope you enjoyed the flight. We're out.